Hi everyone, it's Erica, a paper maché artist, and today we're gonna explore how to make a whimsical sculpture. A sculpture of a bird that is going shopping. I made a sketch to visualize better how I would transform this humanized bird into 3D sculpture. In the next phase, I made an armature out of wire, aluminum foil, and masking tape. My process involves very simple materials and tools. Some water to make the pulp a little bit softer. There's the pulp out of Clay, a commercial brand from Michaels, and these are my simple tools. I googled some reference photos of a cardinal, my favorite bird. In the next phase, I'm starting to add pulp, just spreading it basically as if it were butter or jam. And it's gonna be a thin layer because later on I will add another layer with more texture. This first layer is just to cover the tape basically. And once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take it over to the vent to make it dry a little bit faster. Once it's dry, it's easier to handle the piece, to work on the finer details like the feet in this instance. And at this point, I'm starting to use my fingers as well to develop those small feet. In this next instance, I'm working on the face and on the beak. I've never made a tiny purse like this before, but I think it turned out quite well. I really enjoyed making that part. Here is the second layer I was mentioning before. I'm adding texture for the feathers to get that nice realistic look for my bird. And finally the tiny eyes. Tiny strap for the tiny purse. The last step is the wings, and I used the wire. For that, made a hole to fasten those wings. This took quite a while. It was a bit difficult, but I managed to put them on. And now I'm just finishing the wings here. They kind of look like hands because my bird is a sort of a hybrid, humanized bird. And finally, here's the painting part. Always challenging a bit because I'm full of expectations in terms of how the piece will turn out, but it's also fun. My base color is usually black, but I also like to leave some highlights, so I'm just wiping off some of the color. Here, my cardinal gets a red coat. After giving it some thought, I decided that my bird needed a base. I hope you enjoyed this process, and if you did and you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell for notifications.